When I joined software industry in 2003, the key programming languages to land in a software job were C, C++, and Java. It evolved to Python, Go, Ruby, JavaScript, and many other programming languages in the last 20 years. The world of programming is an ever-expanding universe. The latest technologies needed in job market today seems to be cloud computing, cybersecurity, and artificial intelligence. New languages and technologies are emerging at a rapid pace. The abundance of choice can be exciting. However, it can be scary and can put tremendous pressure. No one can master more than a handful of programming languages. The real question is, how can you navigate through this vast universe of programming languages and technologies without feeling being lost? In this video, I will provide you 4 practical strategies with examples to help you avoid feeling overwhelmed and find your path in the world of programming. This should also answer many of the common questions by various software engineers today. Let's delve into the details. 1. Define your goals and focus. The very step is to clearly define your goals. Make sure you are setting SMART goals. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Identify the specific programming languages and technologies that align with these goals. These goals should also excite you and align with your core skills and interests. For example, you could be interested in web development, data science, or mobile app development. Understanding your interests and skills will help you narrow down the choices and focus on the most relevant languages and technologies. Let me give you a personal example without taking actual names. Sarah is an aspiring web developer and she decided to focus on HTML, CSS, and JavaScript as her foundational languages. By clearly setting her sights on web development, she was able to avoid feeling overwhelmed by other languages that were not directly related to her chosen path. She was able to future-proof her career and secure a very high-paying job with these skills. 2. Research and prioritize. Take the time to research and understand the demand and relevance of various programming languages and technologies in your chosen field. Stack rank them. Prioritize learning the languages and technologies that are widely used, future-proof, and have a strong market demand. For instance, Fortran and Pascal are dying languages, and there is not much return on investment in learning them today. This approach will ensure that you invest your time and effort in learning skills that have the greatest impact in your career and make it future-proof. Your goal should be to survive and thrive in the technology field for the upcoming 10 years. Let me give you a personal example. John, an aspiring data scientist, researched the industry and found that Python and SQL are the most widely used languages in his field. He prioritized learning these languages and gained proficiency in them. He highlighted these skills in his resume and various job opportunities opened for him. He was able to secure a very high-paying job in a startup with these skills. 3. Start with fundamentals. Rather than trying to learn multiple languages simultaneously, start with the fundamentals of programming. You should have a solid understanding of the core programming concepts. Focus on building a strong foundation before branching out into the more specialized languages and technologies. Make sure that you have a deep understanding of various data structures. You should try to work on implementing and debugging various data structures on a daily basis. You should also have mastered a few of the debugging tools as well. For example, Python provides live debugging capabilities, which is a lifesaver in various customer escalation scenarios. Let me give you a personal example. Emma, a beginner programmer, started with learning Python as her first language. By mastering the fundamental concepts of programming in Python, she gained a solid understanding of programming logic. It made it easier for her to learn other languages like Java and C++ later on. She was able to secure a high-paying job with these skills. 4. Leverage online resources and communities. Make sure you upskill on a daily basis. You cannot stay complacent in this era of artificial intelligence. Take advantage of the wealth of online resources freely available to learn various programming languages and technologies. Online tutorials, coding bootcamps, and interactive platforms offer structured learning experiences. Check out the playlist in my YouTube channel for various insights. Engage with the programming communities and forums to stay connected with fellow learners and experienced programmers. Sharing knowledge and seeking help from others will also help. As they say, sharing is caring. Let me give you a personal example. Michael, a self-taught programmer, utilized online resources like Code Academy and Udemy to learn new programming languages and technologies. He actively participated in various programming forums and hackathons where he could seek the advice and learn from experienced professionals. This allowed him to expand his skill sets and secure a promotion in his company. Let me summarize. It's a very common challenge today to feel overwhelmed by the multitude of programming languages and technologies. However, with the right approach, it can be overcome. By defining your goals, prioritizing, starting with the fundamentals, leveraging online resources and communities, you can navigate the vast programming landscape with confidence. You can definitely find your path to success. Remember, it's about quality, not just quantity. Focus on acquiring deep knowledge and proficiency in key programming languages and technologies that align with your goals. There is no point being a jack of all trades here. Embrace the journey of continuous learning, and soon you will find yourself mastering programming languages and technologies without the burden of being overwhelmed. Stop worrying. Conquer various programming languages and technologies like a pro using these strategies. Have you been overwhelmed by the multitude of programming languages? Which of these programming languages and technologies are you going to learn to stay relevant? Please let us know in the comments. Also, please check out the other videos in the Artificial Intelligence playlist to keep yourself up to date and stay relevant. Please like the video and share it with your friends. If you want to stay up to date in the latest technology trends, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you.